My name's Bea, last name Brown, short for Beatrice, so it's spelled B-E-A. My Instagram is SBS_world with 2 D's, and my styling Instagram is B_styled, spelled B-E-A. I specialize in fashion. I've always loved styling. I do a lot of photo shoots and commercials, so you never really know what you'll get, but you know that you'll get me every time. I've honestly been thrifting since I could buy my own clothes. I'm like, you know what can I do with my few dollars? I love fashion. The mall pretty much had high prices, so I always went to Goodwill for whatever I was looking for, whether that be, a jacket or maybe just having a fun day, a fun girls' day. Me and my mom used to go to Goodwill all the time just to kind of shop around. So many unique pieces, you'll never know what you find. What makes thrifting during Halloween unique for me is, so I love to cosplay and I love to be able to build on my cosplays. So I could come to Goodwill and find, I don't know, maybe a belt or a headpiece that I've been looking for, or maybe even some tights. You can even create anything from scratch and go to different Goodwills and find different pieces. So you can kind of make it a little treasure hunt, make a whole day out of it. Because what I love about Goodwill is you have to come in here with patience and time. And if you give Goodwill those 2 pieces, I promise you'll find a lot of good pieces. I think something that a lot of people should know about Goodwill is that they are a local nonprofit, and the profits that they actually earn from us buying clothes are going back into their community. They have something called Learn While You Earn, and that's actually on-the-job training. Employees can literally learn how to do different jobs and gain resources and also gain community. I love being able to just contribute to a circular fashion life cycle, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Goodwill is all about that. Last year, Goodwill of Central and Coastal Virginia were able to keep 40 million pounds of all types of accessories and items out of landfills. And that was just Goodwill of Central and Coastal Virginia. So if you multiply that by nationwide, you guys are doing great work here. Donate at Goodwill of Central and Coastal Virginia. Your donation helps to change lives.